I'm going to show you one secret to faster hair growth. In today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing recipe that will boost your hair growth. This treatment will also moisturize your dry hair and keep it moisturized for weeks. You all know hair damages, split ends, balding, as well as hair breakages all begin from dry hair. So if you get a treatment that will moisturize your hair, you should stick to it. This was my hair when it all got damaged, and thanks to all these DIYs as well as my natural ingredients recipe that have helped me grow my hair much thicker, fuller, and now my hair is really flourishing. So if you really want to know how I do this treatment, make sure you're watching to the end. Let's do this. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back. So our main ingredient for today's recipe is Indian hemp hair grease. You can use any brand that you wish, but the main ingredient is the Indian hemp. So make sure whatever hair grease you are using, it has the Indian hemp. And hey guys, you know how we do it here. But if you do not know how we do it here, we give videos thumbs up before even watching. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you do not miss any of my DIY recipes that can help you grow your hair much faster. All right. Okay, so this is what we are using today, and I'm going to take a scoop and put it in a bowl like so. I'm also going to add some tea tree oil. Just reading on the bottle, you will know some amazing benefits of the tea tree oil to the hair growth. It helps moisturize the hair, it improves overall health of the scalp, and also boosts hair growth. Okay, our next ingredient I'm going to add is the Jamaican black castor oil. This oil is really great for the natural hair. If you're losing your hairline or edges, if you're suffering from thinning or hair loss, this should be your go-to oil. My next ingredient is the lavender oil. I love the lavender oil because of its fragrance, but it can also help improve your hair growth. Just a few drops will do the trick. You don't need much of it. The next ingredient I'm going to add is a pure glycerin. This will help hydrate your hair. It's going to help keep it moisturized and also prevent it from breaking. Adding glycerin to this recipe will keep your hair moisturized for a very long time. It'll also help your hair feel much smoother and much softer. So I add some to this recipe, and the next ingredient I'm going to add is my organic shea butter. This is raw shea butter, guys. Shea butter is not greasy. And you all know the hemp or the grease that we're going to use is greasy. So adding the shea butter to it will help balance everything out. And this will keep your hair moisturized for a very long time. Shea butter is really great for the natural hair. It can boost hair growth, improve the overall health of your hair, and also keep it very well moisturized. So all the ingredients we put together has similar properties, and when put together will help you grow your hair much faster, thicker, fuller, and also much longer. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you the best way to use this hair grease. You should follow these steps if you really want to achieve the best result. And hey guys, if you're still watching to this point, I know you're really enjoying this video because I really enjoyed filming it. So show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. So each time I upload DIYs like these, you will be notified. On this channel, I do a whole lot of DIYs that can help you grow your hair much faster. And I also do simple hairstyle tutorials that can help you grow your hair. And guess what? I also do kids hairstyle tutorial. So it's always jamming on this channel. Make sure to join us by clicking on the bell. There are several ways that you can use this hair treatment to boost hair growth. You can use it right on the day of your wash day. You know, after washing your hair and you need to moisturize your hair, you can use this treatment. Or you can use it in the middle of the week when your hair needs to be re-moisturized. In today's video, I use it on my wash day. So my hair is all washed and I'm just doing the LOC method, which is the leave-in, the oil, and my cream. And I'm using this treatment as my cream. So I'm going to show you in the later part just to see the whole process. But this is when after I put in my leave-in conditioner, I put in my oil, which is my coconut oil. Then I went in with the treatment. And look at how I'm using the treatment. I use it all around the hair. Okay? Then after that, I come to the tips of the hair or the ends. Then after that, I go into the hair, go into the roots, massage it into the hair, and make sure to comb it out. And this is how my hair is looking, all moisturized. And the key point is you have to put your hair in a protective hairstyle to lock in that moisture. So this is it. I start by going in with my leave-in conditioner. I'm using the TGIN leave-in conditioner today. I rub it in all my hair like so. Then after that, I go in with my oil, which is the coconut oil. I love coconut oil because it's lightweight and it's easily absorbed into the hair. Then after that, I go in with the treatment. So this is the treatment. I take some of it, I rub it in my hand, then I rub it on my hair. I start by applying to every part of the hair, on the outer part. Then after that, I go to the ends. I get it into the roots and massage it to every part of the hair. Then after that, I detangle my hair and I put it in a protective hairstyle. And guys, look at that. Girl, just drop everything and just come a little close and look at how my hair is well moisturized. Girl, this will leave your hair moisturized for weeks. But if you do not put your hair in a protective hairstyle, you're going to lose all the moisture. So make sure you're doing a twist or the African threading or something just to lock in the moisture. I did the African threading today because I just wanted to stretch my hair. So first, you go in with the leave-in conditioner, you go in with your oil, any oil of your choice, then you go in with the treatment. Make sure to massage the treatment to every part of your hair. If you are suffering from hair thinning, hair loss, hair breakages, alopecia, this will help prevent your hair from falling. So give it a try and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for stopping by today to watch this video today. I know you've already given this video a thumbs up, but if you haven't done so, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell for my next video. See you next. Bye.